Today we're excited to release NexoPOS 4.7.x, a major upgrade that comes with a bunch of interesting change. Throughout this update, we've been working on the dark mode, multi-role, security, and other changes we believe will make your day-to-day life easier. Let's jump into those changes to give a better overview. Previously, a user could only have one role at a time. That was working well for a bunch of needs, but we wanted to add a multi-role support to give a better flexibility. For example, this means that if you give a cashier role to your employee, one of these cashiers can have a specific role will give him access to reporting. We know many users are using NexoPOS for a long period of time during the day, and we don't want their eyes to be irritated because of the screen. We've added the dark mode, which gave a more soft tone to the design. We've also revamped the actual light mode to make it better and less shiny. From NexoPOS 4.7.x, the keyboard is supported for all visual keyboards that appear on the screen. For each pop-up, using ESC is an internal shortcut that closes it. You can also configure your own keyboard shortcut from the settings. If you're using NexoPOS payment pop-up, you might have wanted to add your own amount helper. This is now possible. You can also change it on the keyboard shortcuts. From now, you can instruct the system to merge all products that are similar. This will prevent having a long list of products that are similar on the post. You will find a setting to enable this behavior by default. We wanted with this feature to ensure some resources can be deleted if it remains in use. For example, you cannot delete a category if certain products remain assigned to it. Previously, users were forced to input the expected amount on the cash register. From this update, any amount can be defined, but NexoPOS will highlight whether there is a discrepancy. For example, here I will close the cash register with $100. Now when I go to the order list and see the cash register history, I will see there is a missing observed. We've added an about page that will display the actual system and environment details. This will be very useful if you have something not working well on your system and you want to make sure that all your environment is valid and whether you're using the latest version of NexoPOS. So there are many other changes that has been added to the core. You can explore them by checking the release on GitHub. We have added some features that are not yet listed on this video, and we have made a lot of bug fixes as well. So if you have any question regarding this update, you can just comment this video.